Rom, can you say good morning, people on the internet?
Yes, good morning, people on the internet. Welcome to NIGHTRIDE.
Hey.
My guy's stealing my job.
It's Friday today and we are leaving to Next Level event, Next Level International. We have a couple guests. We have Rom CP from US. We have the Scottish boys and we're pretty much ready to go. My car's ready, Boogie's car's ready. Your car?
Yes, it starts now, so it's definitely ready.
It's ready. How about your car, mister?
Pretty good.
You good?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so looks like we all set and ready to go. My car is loaded here. The boys are finishing loading the whole team Blue Monkey. Just right there on the road. It would be nice if they can drive together on the track at least once, because last time on Ultrace they came the same, 3 blue cars, and they didn't even have one full lap, all 3 together, right?
Now you tell me which car is the best looking, okay? Because last time it was definitely Rom's car, but now look at this, man.
Yeah, Boogie.
Man is balling.
Boogie has some new wheels, which these are still not the wheels that we wanted to run, but these are definitely something cool. And this car is looking, in my opinion, the best of them all. Then Rom's car, obviously, classic, insignias, big wing. Not a bad fitment for a professional driver.
For an American driver, yeah.
For American hamburger driver.
Sorry that this is, well, this is high because we're stuck in the middle. Because see, look, proper fitment, we're on the ground.
Yeah. And yeah, there's G's Compact, which has been through a lot, and I think this car needs some love, I think.
Yeah, especially the manual.
Wasz kanał nazywa?
Kanał NIGHTRIDE, chcesz zobaczyć? A jak podobają wam się auta? Tak? No to elegancko. Tutaj dzieciaki stoją i patrzą. Oby też dobrze jeździły, tak jak wyglądają dobrze. So we're on the truck. It feels super good to be here. It's very warm. There's so many friends around. We are pretty much last ones that came in. They were closing the gate, but yeah, we unloaded and we're ready to rock tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Side skirt.
Good morning, people on the internet. We just arrived at the track nice and early. Gonna go for briefing now. The boys are washing the cars because they're very, very dusty. We didn't have time to wash them in the garage. And I'm gonna film around and see what's happening around here.
That radio of yours. I'm trying to get to sleep. Some of us have to go to work in the morning.
What are you insinuating, madam?
You stop making that noise.
What noise?
Life is good, man.
Don't try to call me today. Used to put me on beats, and I'm making the change. So I sleep well at night. My friends are drinking again, but I'll be at home. I'm sick of sleeping on the streets of a town that I don't know. And I always said I'd never stay with you, but it's been over a year. I'm struggling just to make it through. What happened the best time in my life? I see so many, but they many, busy make my mind. So don't waste my time and get
So the boys been drifting for about 20 minutes so far, and there's already a bit of a tiny situation. Please explain yourself.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I parked it on the track and then, you know...
Someone crashed into you?
I came back and yeah.
Yeah.
I was just enjoying the beautiful view. Yeah.
Sam. Anything to your car?
Yeah.
Aha.
I lost my brakes. O, ty, ej G! Mam trochę twojego...
There's a bit of G's car.
Nie. No, ale nie ma hamulców. Kurwa mi się przewód hamulcowy.
Most likely.
Ty spinowałeś?
Nie, on przede mną.
O Jezu.
I have it filmed on drone.
Nie?
Proper.
Such a mess is my head. You left me better for dead. Still I carry on this way. You could have saved me, but you kept on walking. I do this to myself. I don't know nothing else. Gonna fix something one day, but I won't know for certain. I scream my lungs out on this rooftop, but you won't hear me while you're down below. The echoes fading in their room. I didn't mean to tell you well now, but I've been feeling down. I gaze into your silver eyes, and I've been feeling the reasons why. I put my heart on another glass, and search for something that isn't there. You can't grab me by the arm, and then throw me in the car. I'm not one to ask for help, but I just need to find someone to vent to. I scream my lungs out on this rooftop, but you won't hear me while you're down below. The echoes fade in the empty room. I didn't mean to tell you well loud, but I've been feeling down.
What a day it's been. It's already almost 7 p.m. and at 7 p.m. we have a photo shoot on top of the hill on a truck, and everyone is slowly getting ready for it. Oi, 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 what's happening here? Again!
On fire!
Wow. His turbo caught fire.
Did you get a film?
No,
We had a
he
good
just
bear
passed.
with him now.
Yeah?
On the top of the hill, he hit the wall with the bumper and I hit the wall with my side, and then we continued drifting.
Man, you're on fire today.
Yeah.
Can't do much when the years rip off. Can't do much and I'm sorry about that. Can't do much when the vibe is off. And I stay locked in for days and about that. Stay locked in for days and the whole path. Riding the way, can you tell me if you feel that? I ain't gon' get it back, tell me if you want that. Can't do much when the years rip off. Can't do much when I'm sorry about that. Can't do much when the vibe is off. And I stay locked in for days and about that. Stay locked in for days and the whole path. Riding the way, can you tell me if you feel that? I ain't gon' get it back, tell me if you want that. There was nobody home, I was jumping the party. I was doing what I want, there was no one to stop me. They were looking at me different, is it cause of my body? Can't do much when the gears rip off. Can't do much when I'm sorry about.
So they brought us here, all cars here, they brought us here to take some pictures because it's the beautiful sunset weather. And this here, hands down, it's the best looking drift cars in Europe, for sure, 100%. The level of the cars here is just another planet.
And I stay locked in 4 days and I'm about that. Stay locked in 4 days and I'm riding away. Can you tell me if you feel that? I ain't gon' get it back. Tell me if you want that. Tell me if you feel that. Tell me if you want that.
What do you think about all this?
Oh man, what an event. Honestly, unreal.
What happened here though?
Yeah, I don't know, we had a little bit of an incident. What is it that you guys see? A situation?
What's this?
A little bit of a situation?
Yeah.
Remember the small MX-5 that's chasing you, yeah?
Sheesh.
Listen, if you're not crashing, then you're not driving hard enough.
But look, your car is looking like this, and my car is just intact.
I don't understand that. I don't understand it.
Japanese.
Yeah, but German cars are supposed to be good, right?
Yeah?
Well, I don't know, that's what I heard. That's what I've heard.
What say Boogie?
It's cool.
It's cool, yeah?
Yeah, it's cool.
Why are you standing on Frankie Glaze?
It's not a Frankie Glaze.
It is.
Is it?
It is not anymore because you see no glaze.
There is a glaze.
It
Oh,
was.
you stand on it, no glaze.
I actually polished this car a couple days before, and it looks much better. It looks much better. Oh, mister, what is this? It's a good size. Lens.
I mean, I wish that would be mine. I actually borrowed it.
Yeah, your one's much smaller.
But listen, everyone can have dreams.
Okay, this is it here. We are going back to the driving. There is 1 more hour of drifting after sunset. So it's gonna be some good vibes. So let's go back to the pits.